Have you ever wished to have more hours in a day or more days in a week? If your schedule has always been packed with finishing work, making ends meet, being a parent, and so on, you have probably wished this more than once. Welcome to Life's Lemons. We are giving you 5 tips on how to have a 25-hour day. Hang on till number 1 to efficiently manage your time and make the most out of your day. Number 5. Create the right environment. Whether you're an employer or an employee, creating the right environment for work is necessary to achieve a strong and productive culture. Do whatever fits right to motivate you or your team, whether it be improving the lighting, controlling the temperature, or adding inspirational decorations. It would also be good if your office space reflects your values and working style. Doing so will bring the best out of yourself or your team, which in turn will bring the best results. Number 4. Organize and prioritize your tasks. Interruptions are one of the biggest enemies of efficiency. To avoid this, make a plan and list down all the tasks you have to do on that day or the following day. List down whether they are important, not important, urgent, and not urgent. When you know what you have to do and what you should be doing, you can determine practically how to handle the interruptions and the temptations. We suggest starting the day by taking out the most significant tasks on your list. Doing so will remove some of the pressure off your chest and leave you a feeling of fulfillment early in the day, ready to take more of the tasks ahead. Number 3. Set deadlines. Setting deadlines in time management is vital. Lists or schedules are only helpful if you stick with them. Set reasonable deadlines to keep track of the time you have, avoid procrastination, stay disciplined, and reach your goals. Make sure you do it your own way. Remember that setting deadlines are geared to help you finish, so don't create a deadline if you don't intend to achieve it. Number 2. Take beneficial breaks. You don't have to work like a robot. Even they get charged when they reach their limits. It's important to take breaks at work. A break will allow you to recharge with a fresh perspective and return to a task. You can socialize, drink coffee, take walks, or de-stress during a scheduled break. Seek to do something entirely unrelated with work during your break. Maintaining work-life balance is not only important for your personal health and relationships, but it can also improve the efficiency of your work performance. Number 1. Get more sleep. Pulling an all-nighter is very common for workers, especially when deadlines arise. What most people don't know is that doing so can negatively impact work. Sleep deprivation directly impairs your ability to maintain attention and focus and further impairs your ability to make decisions. It will also contribute to procrastination and inhibit efficiency at work. It is essential to get a good night's sleep on a regular basis. A good sleep schedule guarantees that you wake up early in the morning, prepare you for the day, help you stay focused on the job, and make sound decisions that improve productivity. And there you have it! You just learned our tips in time management to help you be more productive and enjoy that extra hour of the day. The key is to not be busy, but instead to be efficient. How do you make the most out of your day? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for sticking around. We have lots in store for you. Diverse topics that could inform, entertain, and educate your minds with our life hacks. With that said, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date and be part of the notification squad. And if you enjoyed this video, you are going to enjoy our upcoming videos as well. We'll see you guys next time!